originally the Albion Hotel. Yeah. It was later a department store. It's also been a florist for over 50 years. It's got my personal favorite bookstore in the world in it, but I'm prejudice because it's mine. So. But it is a great walk, great city. These buildings were all built on a hill, so if you go along York Street down below, all the shops on York Street used to be the basement of these stores.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Down the street, the bar here used to be a doctor's residence. The doctor lived upstairs, and he came downstairs, saw patients, and was trying to make them feel better. It's a bar now, so this is still doing pretty much the same thing. Except there's no longer a doctor living upstairs.
Yeah.
The building on the corner is 1855, one of the oldest buildings in town. Now houses a pretty cool historical family history. Still going through the most of the competition, so there is straight ahead is the Cook County Courthouse, built 1885 to 1887. It had electric lights throughout. They were both pretty rare at that time. Beautiful building on the outside. Anyone who's ever had to pay a speeding ticket in Stratford can tell you it's a beautiful building on the inside.
Oh no, we don't want to get in there.
It's even worse on the criminal side in there. On the left is where the first school was. It was a log cabin school right there. And right up ahead and on the left is our library. It's the oldest existing Carnegie library, still the oldest library in Canada. Built in 1903. American millionaire Andrew Carnegie funded an awful lot of libraries across Canada and the U.S. In those days, Stratford went and said, "Can we get $12,000 from you?" He gave us $15,000. By today's dollars, that would be $650,000. So it was a pretty good contribution for this. The only condition was Stratford has to provide land and the upkeep. They've still done that, and it's still our library, so they're still keeping it up. It's a cool little